Hello everyone and welcome to another hotel review. And we're coming to you this week yet again from Athens, Greece, in the heart of the Plaka district. This time just down the block from the Acropolis Museum in a hotel called AVA or AVA Hotel and Suites. And this is the standard suite. It's on the first floor, but it's actually room 401. Let's say we start with the bathroom. So the bathroom is fairly standard and I'd say quaint. It's got a toilet, a single sink, bath amenities from Gilchrist and Soames, which is fairly nice. And also, if you don't want to use the bar soap, there is a soap dispenser as well, along with a sort of built-in hair dryer, a cup for your toothbrush. I would say a sufficient number of towels and washcloths, just barely enough for 2 people for one day, and slippers as well. A single, relatively small walk-in shower that looks like it will do the job, and it has a range style head, and like all the other hotels I've visited on this trip, it also has a handheld nozzle. Alright, so the rest of the room you sneaked a peek at earlier. It is relatively small and simple, but still apparently considered a standard suite, probably because of this kitchenette, which will not be seeing much use from me on this particular stay. They have something called filter coffee, and I believe that is because it is the kind that you put into a filter. Traditional Greek coffee, of course, has the sediment. It's thick like Turkish coffee. They have all of the accessories here required for coffee making, including a coffee maker by Primo, and then they have an electric range. There's also I suppose perhaps a convection oven and or microwave. Well, and then a sink. And if we inspect the contents of the cabinets, it appears they have all the dishes and cups and saucers and glasses that one may require during one's stay. And then we have drawers here that reveal pots and pans, coffee filters, placemats, warmers, and even a can opener, wooden spoon, and various silverware, and a bottle opener. All very, very nice. Also under the sink, there is a trash can and some more storage space. And then a refrigerator with freezer. And the refrigerator appears to have some butter, but is otherwise not stocked, but there's plenty of room. And then if we turn around here, there's this little table with a couple of chairs. They did provide me with a welcome gift, which is just a 1 or 1.5 liter bottle of spring water. They do have a mini bar, so we can take a look at the contents and the prices. And they have a selection of spirits and mineral water, wine, and soft drinks, and a chocolate bar. Additionally, you have some Pringles chips, some nuts, and some Greek red wine, which does not require refrigeration. And room service is apparently offered here, and there's a relatively small menu, but it does include a classic burger and perhaps some waffles. And you can apparently also purchase some popcorn to watch movies with. And speaking of movies, I think the reason there was an allusion to movies is that there is a Samsung Blu-ray DVD player, which is unusual, and then of course a wall-mounted television set, which is a relatively decent size. Some flowers and some actually relatively useful books. One about the Acropolis, one that covers the Acropolis Museum, which as I mentioned is just down the street, and then one covering Greek mythology. So I may flip through those in a few minutes. And as for the bed itself, you've certainly got a relatively well lit area with recessed lighting and lamps protruding from the walls, which have a very interesting pattern. And then the bed itself, I would say, is on the firm side, maybe a little bit saggy there in the middle. You have a decent number of pillows, lighting controls and tissues on either side of the bed. And then a little work table here. Not a great office chair, more of a kind of a almost a fold-out chair variety, but relatively well padded. And you've got your obligatory hair dryer, which is interesting because I believe there was one that we saw built into the bathroom. And here's an interesting concept that they call Greek Movie Night. I'm assuming these Blu-ray DVDs are free to rent, and they appear to all be relatively recent or classic Hollywood productions with Greek themes, like My Big Fat Greek Wedding, 300, Mamma Mia, that sort of thing. And I guess you can order these, and if you're willing to shell out €5, you can have some microwave popcorn as well. Looks like there's a full Blu-ray and DVD list as well, with some non-Greek movies. And you have your typical stationery set and an amenity guide that addresses a number of different things. Has a map as well. Alright, now let's check out the closet. Alright, the closet is fairly standard, has some extra towels and an extra large pillow. Lots of rack space, looks like about 10 hangers. Near the end of my trip, so I only needed a couple. And one thing that I'm relatively pleased with is the size and operation of the safe. I've encountered some relatively small safes on this trip, and this is large by comparison. It easily fits with a lot of room to spare all of my valuables and electronics and passports and money and that sort of thing. And there's yet another wrinkle, as there always seems to be in Greece with the operation of these. They just aren't extremely consistent. On this one, you have to enter a 4-digit PIN and then press enter before you press close. So, kind of confusing. And a laundry bag, good, because I needed one of those. And there isn't, if you noticed, there isn't, I would say, a lot of drawer space available here. There are some drawers underneath the nightstands, but aside from that, there's not a chest of drawers. So if you needed to store some additional items, they would simply have to be placed on these shelves, as I've done in the closet. Alright, so as I may have mentioned earlier, this hotel is in the Plaka neighborhood. It is just a couple of blocks away from the Acropolis Museum, which itself is at the foot of the Acropolis, but unlike the other hotel in the Plaka neighborhood in which I stayed earlier on this trip, the Plaka Hotel, this does not offer any views of the Acropolis, unfortunately, but what it does offer is this nice private courtyard patio area, which is a couple of chairs, sort of patio furniture, along with a small table, and plenty of potted plants, and it borders, I guess, a neighboring courtyard for other hotel guests. And that's the view. And in closing, I just wanted to show you the air conditioner, the temperature control. This is a Fujitsu device, and unlike perhaps the majority of Greek hotels, which seem to have handheld remote control, temperature control, this one is wall mounted and fixed, and the temperature can be set as low as 18 degrees Celsius, which is around 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, I think that's all I had for you all today. I hope you enjoyed this tour and that you can join me for my next review. Goodbye, everyone.